Hello friends and welcome back. Today's topic is an interesting one: how to say goodbye to single life and find that man of your dream. Yes, I know this topic is a controversial one, as there's always the saying that you can't influence a man's decision no matter what you do. You cannot make a man love you. Trust me, I want you to shake that off your mindset, because men actually have what they are looking for in the woman they want, most especially a woman they want to spend the rest of their lives with. So from experience, I'm from a very large family. I have so many brothers. I've learned a lot I'll be sharing with you today. Trust me, you want to get your popcorn and watch Auntie Risa spill all the secret to you. Share the video with your friends as well. If you are grown already and have grown-up daughters, you want to share these secrets with them as well. Trust me, before jumping into some very important tips, I want to assure you beauty is just a plus and never one of the qualities men are looking for. So if you're a pretty girl watching me, trust me, that is, your beauty is just a plus and not one of the qualities men are looking for. The times today are so hard that men rather prefer a woman who is productive than a very pretty girl who is not productive and has nothing to bring to the table. Men no longer get liabilities as wives or partners this 21st century, most especially with the economic situation, the hard times. Men no longer want liabilities in their lives as partners or wives. If you want that man of your dream, you need to work for it. Trust me, being productive, empowering yourself attracts responsible and empowered men as well to gravitate towards you. So quality attracts quality. So if you want a quality man, you need to qualify yourself. If you're a student, you want to read your books, take your studies seriously so you can come out great tomorrow, because greatness attracts greatness. If you're doing business, you want to take your business seriously as well. I have seen so many successful men gravitate towards hardworking, average-looking girls who are not really that gorgeous, beautiful, but because the women are, they are empowered, they are hardworking, they have something to bring to the table, and the second and very important quality is your attitude. Trust me, 70% of marriages today are based on recommendations. Men of today always ask about a woman they want to get married to, and those recommendations play a big role. You don't want to be that girl or lady described as rude, disrespectful, doesn't respect elders, doesn't greet elders, snobbish because she thinks she's successful. You don't want to be described as that. That scares men away as well. So you might be successful, you might have empowered yourself, but because of your attitude, if you have all those bad qualities, you might just lose it. So being empowered and having good attitude makes everything just, when you meet elders, your mom's friends, gatherings, you want to be out there, friendly, respectful. I'm not saying you should be all over the place, loud. Just be out there, smile, and respect your elders, treat them people with love, and trust me, you will always come to mind when someone is asking, oh, I'm looking for a wife, I need someone to get married to, and you will always be that recommendation. And out of the 10 people they recommend to you, you might just find your husband. And so having a good attitude is key, as well as you might just find that dream husband, that husband of your dream. And as soon as he takes you to his family home, maybe the sisters just see you and they start telling the brother, hey, this girl is so rude, she's so snobbish, she has bad attitude, she is this, she is that. So generally having good attitude, being respectful, welcoming and nice to people is a plus. You might not know who will ruin that relationship you worked hard for because of your attitude. So being nice to people is generally a good thing. Tip number 3, most especially to introverts. Men can't find you if you are not available. So you want to attend gatherings, occasions, responsible gatherings, responsible occasions, attend weddings, birthday parties, get out and get to meet people. If you are a mom and you want your daughter married as well, take her to parties, wherever you're going, responsible occasions. You might just be surprised your daughter might meet her dream husband, so being closed up and not making yourself available in a responsible way. I'm not saying you should just be available all over the place and but those responsible gatherings, responsible occasions. If you're single, you want to try as much as you can to mingle. Most especially in the Western world, Africans in the Western world, you might just end single. If you don't attend African occasions, you don't get out to meet people, you might just end single. Eat out once in a while. Go to restaurants to eat, and you might just get to meet new people. Don't close up yourself, most especially introverts who don't know how to associate with people. You want to work on that attitude if you want to get a man. The fourth very important tip is your physical appearance. When I talk of physical appearance, I'm not talking about beauty. I'm talking about how you always look put together, neat and presentable. How you present yourself. Your physical appearance is like 70% a reflection of your personality. Your physical appearance says a lot about your personality. Being untidy, not looking tidy all the time, men don't like dirty girls. Or dressing indecently, your body is always out, you don't cover it up, you just dress recklessly. That plays a role as well. Men will just, the type of men who will come after you with the tacky kind of dressings are those irresponsible men, or responsible men who are just looking for fling relationship. If you want that serious relationship, dressing decently and always looking presentable will attract responsible and presentable men gravitate towards you as well. So I hope you get. So your physical appearance says a lot about you. Being just neat, dressing decently. I'm not saying you should not dress stylish, but in a decent way, so that contributes a lot. Men love presentable women they can be proud of to present to their friends. You must not necessarily be very beautiful. You might even be very beautiful, but if you don't take care of yourself, you tend to look ugly. Just from first glance, a man can tell if he wants to be with you from your dressing, your physical appearance. So being untidy will only attract dirty and untidy boys as well. Tip number 5, never trade your love for money. Most of us women feel entitled for men to take care of us because they are our boyfriends, and your boyfriend is not your father. Only your father is entitled to take care of you and your needs. Your boyfriend is your friend. Once you have that mindset, you will meet serious men, because men take note of those girls who date them because they want them to start paying bills for them, paying their rents, taking care of them, paying everything for them. If you're a woman with that mindset, trust me, you want to stop. That is why empowering yourself as a woman is very important. So you can pay your bills, you can take care of your bills. Let that man do what he can do for you, and not like he is obligated to do certain things for you. Maybe at the end of the month, he has to pay for your rent, he has to pay for your hair, he has to pay for your pad, he has to pay for everything. You will never find a serious man with that mindset. Let the man offer what he can. Once a man knows you can take care of yourself, you can pay your bills, those little things, he will do bigger things for you instead. So never sell yourself cheap for those little things. That is why it is very important for every woman to do something. There are so many things you can do to empower yourself as a woman. It is just to search within yourself. I know the economy is hard, things are hard, but trust me, if you search within you, there are so many opportunities out there. And trust me, it takes money to look presentable and good. So if you empower yourself, you're doing something, you can take care of yourself, you can get a good lotion for yourself, a good skincare for yourself, good hair, you can take care of yourself, you as well look attractive and attract more responsible and, great men to gravitate towards you. So having to do something and take care of those little bills and stop being a cheap liability to men, like that cheap girl who asks everything to the part she will use at the end of the month, scares men away. Now, the last and very important tip, I had to save the best for the last. You want your man to always feel like he is a priority. I'm saying this because I have seen women who have that tendency of keeping like 3 relationships, hoping at least one of them will, it is not good to put your eggs in one basket. That is so not it. Have that one relationship, put your all in that relationship. If it doesn't work, move to the next. Having several men means you give divided attention. You end up not even knowing them, that deep. So you need to be committed in your relationship. Put in your all in one man, not 3. You can never give that full attention to 3 men. So just one at a time. Put in your best and watch the magic happen. Men want to always feel cared of, loved. They want that attention. So having to keep so many of them means divided attention and you end up not grabbing any of them. So yeah, being committed to one relationship is key. And 90% of the time, committed relationships always end well. I have my eldest sister's son. His wife is his girlfriend from university days. They were together every day, and they are married today with 2 kids. So committed to each other, and they could not just live without each other. They end up getting married and they have 2 kids now, and they are like best friends. So it is good to have that one committed relationship. You create that bond with the person, and rather than having multiple relationships. I hope you get. So yeah, these are the tips I wanted to share with you today. Trust me, this is most especially to parents who keep asking their daughters, what are you waiting for? Don't you think you're getting old? You need to get married. Just share this video to your daughter. Get your daughter out. Take her out. Let her mingle. Meet responsible people. Learn from this video rather than asking those questions like, when are you getting married? Don't you think you're old enough to start having babies? She cannot have the babies if you don't expose her to meet her dream man. So yeah, I hope someone found the video helpful. If this is something you are interested in, let me know at the comments Share your own tips as well. Someone might just learn a tip or two. Remember, we are all here to learn, evolve, and be great. No matter the little steps we get there. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.